Hello everyone. I am Megha Rajoria from Rad at Home Astronomy Collaboratory, speaking on behalf of my co-authors Preet Agnihotri, Akshat Mishra, Avinash CK, Avinash Kumar, Arundhati Purohit, and Principal Investigator of the Collaboratory Dr. Ananda Hota, a UGC faculty at UMDAE Center for Excellence in Basic Sciences. The title of my poster is Opportunities Amid Pandemic in Citizen Science Research via Rad at Home India in Radio Astronomy. Many of you are well aware of the fact that Rad at Home is the first Indian citizen science research platform for astronomy. The initiative was launched in April 2013 and has been growing as a startup under the University Grant Commission FRP program as a nationwide inter-university collaboratory for citizen science research. Our mandate is that anyone who has basic university level science knowledge should be able to do research sitting at home and contribute to science in our country. Rad at Home works primarily with TIFR GMRT Sky Survey, that is TGSS data, and with the help of RGB image analysis of UV, optical, IR, radio data, we discover new radio sources and follow it up with the GMRT Time Allocation Committee. Approved project Good RAC. This working model has been in existence since 2013 and has benefited numerous members to work well without any hindrance during pandemic in 2020. None of us faced any issue working from home or working online or any sort of virtual interaction hindrance. The digital revolution in India has allowed us to grab this opportunity of exploring the universe and research while sitting at home. Apart from online video lectures, our focus has always been on hands-on work analysis of the discovered sources and thereafter publishing our results. Weekly e-classes on Facebook chat by principal investigator to make sure that practical knowledge is imparted to e-astronomers as well as I-astronomers in a continuous fashion. Over 35 out of 150 Rad at Home trained citizen scientists are studying abroad for their masters and PhD primarily in European and American universities. They have been trained in Rad at Home discovery camps hosted by various government educational institutes across India. Today we have 2,500 active members and a growing community of 4,500 in our online interaction education group. Over two dozen national and international institutes, including NCR TIFR, ASI, SKA, IAU, Nature Index, ICERS, IITs have been supporting the growth of Rad at Home citizen science research. In the new Science, Technology and Innovation Policy, citizen science is being promoted by Government of India. You can also see the encouraging figures and statistics here in the poster. The idea behind this collaboration is to give a platform to all those citizens who could not pursue astronomy professionally due to various reasons, but their qualification can come handy in research. It's more like anybody can do research. The issue of big data problem is addressed here through trained Indian citizens. We're glad to share that during 2020 we have been able to achieve some exciting developments, especially when it comes to participation on our Facebook group, which works as our hub for various discussions and teachings. More than 700 new members joined our Facebook group in 2020. Recently, we have also developed an RGB Maker tool, which is a Python-based tool hosted on the Binder Cloud server. The tool uses the AstroQuery package to access NASA's Skyview server and processes the image in a Jupyter notebook hosted on the Binder server. RGB Maker tool helps beginner RGB makers in making RGB contour images designed and popularized by Rad at Home since 2013. Lastly, I would like to thank late Professor Govind Swarup, father of Indian radio astronomy, whose encouraging words for Rad and group have always been the biggest appreciation one can get. On that note, I would like to invite all of you to join Rad at Home either as a citizen scientist or as a professional collaborator and discover sitting at home, research sitting at home, publish sitting at home. You can also find the poster in a PDF format in the description box. Thank you so much.